Flamingo Road.
There you go.
What else we got here?
Look at that flamingo. It's flamingo.
Look on Treasure Island.
Caesar Palace has the big fountain out front. There's the Mirage, Treasure Island.
Yep. There's Mirage.
Omnia. So many choices. Yeah. Next to Bally's in orange. And there is, what is this one? The Bellagio again? So there's about 5 or 6 Bellagio buildings.
So
going for
big, Bellagio.
Like 3-4 blocks. Doesn't end. What's this one? Bally's.
Wow, look at that people there. What he doing? Oh no,
There's
the bus.
Bellagio.
Other
And
bus.
there's Caesar's Palace.
There is.
Way back, I used to, when I lived in California, I came to Caesar's before some of these other buildings were even here. But they had a buffet, Sunday buffet, one of the best ever.
Here's
That
the
was
bus. Look at this. The building there is so big.
Oh, this one here? The Eiffel Tower restaurant. Paris. And there's the Flamingo again. This guy trying to get in.
Traffic. Goodness.
The Dodge.
Flamingo and Caesars. We're moving so slow, we'll be on Flamingo and Caesars for a while.
Yep.
And Bally's.
What is
Is that a motorcycle behind us?
No good here. So what's this?
Third.
No, that one sounds like a hot rod.
Hot rod.
All right.
Or a motor.
Big bus. Have CVS pharmacy.
Because they go. They're going
Sounds cool though, doesn't it? Oh.
Are you driving? So big that bus. Cannot see now the view.
so big that motor. Bye, motorcycle. Now I have to find another way.
Uh-oh. Take it over.
Why?
Construction.
Here he is in the nighttime. Driving.
Another red light. Be prepared to stop.
What's this building here?
We got Caesar's Palace right in front of, and the Flamingo.
Yep.
I can't see what that is. The grotto. Flamingo Road.
There you go.
What else we got here?
Look at that flamingo. It's
Look
flamingo.
on Treasure Island.
Caesar's Palace has the big fountain out front. There's the Mirage, Treasure Island.
Yep. There's Mirage.
Anya. So many choices.
There's a mini hotel here.
Bus got so close to me.
My God. Mirage. There is.
See Treasure Island.
Is that it? Let me see. Where's the volcano?
There
We
is.
passed it already?
Yeah.
Mirage. Where's the Mirage? The Mirage.
It's right next to the island. Isn't it? The friggin' bus is so long.
So big though.
The Mirage, we're right in front of it.
Treasure Island.
TI, they call it.
Yep, TI, Treasure Island.
Know all the smells coming from?
What?
All the smells coming from Treasure Island. Treasure Island's so big they open it and comes into our cars. The whole Las Vegas polluted from this.
Go.
People everywhere. Where's the There's the volcano. It's not happening right now.
Yep, there's the volcano that have water
Other
now,
water, yeah, and then the Caribbean thing is right next to it. Yeah.
but nothing now.
Another Mirage. Is that where the pilot
Treasure Island, there is. Yep, there is the
pirate ship?
pirate ship there.
Free
Offshore.
parking.
No parking.
Huh?
There's no place to park here.
No.
You're just driving
Treasure
around.
Island has free parking. I'm
You
just
walk in
telling
1
you.
Oh.
miles.
Yeah, it does have free parking, yeah. You can get away with it. It's supposed to be for guests only, but they don't check. You know? There it is, RJ. Treasure Island. We were up on which side? The other side.
28th floor.
We looked at the Trump, so we were on the other. So we're pretty high. You can see the whole valley. Mountain view. You can see a little bit of the strip.
Palazzo.
Oh, there's where we went, right?
There
Palazzo?
is.
Palazzo. Palazzo. There's the pirate ship. Right in front of Treasure Island.
Yeah. But have no show today, ane? Sunday.
There's the flying saucer.
Yep, there is.
Fashion show.
Yep.
Well, I played fashion show. Roblox.
Taco margaritas. Tacos and margaritas. Packed. Look at all those people.
Yep.
Hungry people getting tacos. This is the big empty space. They're building some stuff in there now
Yep.
on the left. Oh, that's going to be the World Resorts. That's right.
Yeah.
Which is in all of the Asia area. Now they're going to have one in Vegas. World Resorts. They have it in Philippines. We went to it.
Yep.
In Manila.
Yeah, big that there in
Yeah,
Manila.
Attached to a mall.
In Paranaque.
And the Marriott Hotel is there.
Yeah.
And the airport across the street.
Yep.
World Resort. We're members, aren't we? Did we get cards?
Yeah.
I've got that card somewhere. I don't know where it is now. Oh boy. And there is Circus Circus.
It's circles here.
Right next to the World Resorts that's going up. There's going to be multiple buildings. Look at that.
Yep, there is big building just construct. Under construction.
Yep, so Vegas is growing again.
Yep.
Another Denny's. And another McDonald's.
Another rod.
The convention center to the right.
Another
Yep,
road.
there is. There.
Yep. And there is the famous Circus Circus.
And that's the circus.
Yeah.
Other.
See it?
Other is.
You see the sign out front
Yeah.
now?
Oh no, stop.
Circus Circus
There he is.
about
Circus,
wider
circus.
than about bigger than one more room.
Yeah, we could have went
Treasure
there.
Island can beat Circus Circus.
And here, is that the Hilton?
Where you gonna read?
Big H. Here's the Sahara. I think they're rebuilding it. I remember the one time when I was here, they were talking about demolishing it. And building a new Sahara. That looks like where it's going.
There is Stratosphere. The pointy in the top.
Yep, there's gonna be a new Sahara going in right here. It's getting too big. It's too big and too much. I mean, you could spend weeks reading about all the different hotels and what kind of deals they have.
Yeah.
And then you could spend months walking into every one, checking it out.
There is Stratosphere.
Oh, there's the biggest store in the world, souvenir store.
What?
Right there.
Oh, that there?
Yeah.
Yep.
World's largest gift shop. I don't know if it's true. They claim it. See how big it is?
Yeah.
See that, OJ? Store, world's largest gift shop.
Yep. Traffic again. There is a Stratosphere. You ride the elevator there. And you go up. And you look at the view. Have
then-
a full view there in the top.
And then if you want, you can jump out on a cable.
Yep. It's okay to jump too. Have a
They-
jumping rope.
They used to have rides up on top. I don't know if they still do.
What do you use on a jumping rope?
No, cable. I don't know.
Cable.
Just like free fall.
Yep. Scary, that's so
Or
high.
you can jump with
Huh.
parachute.
They-
Whole view of
they
Las
might have that
Vegas.
too.
You see that there?
Another McDonald's.
Yep.
Another Walgreens.
Another
Scary.
McDonald's.
Yep. Tattoo. Mommy wants a tattoo.
Not want that. good.
I see 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
It's hiding up here.
Okay. Transitioning to North Vegas now.
Oh,
Is that, well, no, it's still the Las Vegas Boulevard. It's the strip. But it's,
Another Denny.
Dennis.
We just went past it.
it's good food.
There's 7-Eleven.
Yep, you're right. We're almost home. We should have kept our stuff in the car. We just kept going a little bit more.
Go home at nighttime.
We went off the strip.
So we're now in the script. Look at this. All this palm tree.
I went off it. I should have been right. It turned
Yeah.
on me.
All
See
palm
another
trees down
hotel.
here.
Apartments too.
Yeah.
A lot of condos.
I see Utah.
See Utah.
Yeah.
In your imagination.
No.
Israel.
Yeah.
Oo.
But it's like a mini peak.
Okay, you turn, honey.
I'm gonna make a right and go down there.
Okay.
Come back. But I wanted to pass Fremont Street, make a right, and then
Okay.
see it, and then come back down.
Okay guys, that's it. Only that I can show you the Las Vegas.
Strip.
Okay, see you next time. Bye-bye.